In today's times, mobile phones have become a necessity for everyone. In India alone, the number of mobile phone users is no less than 650 million. However, only 90 million of them can read or write in English. To the remaining 560 million or more, the basic services of storing names in the address book and sending text messages are inaccessible. In fact, 3 out of 5 mobile phone users in India have never sent an SMS.
मैसेज नहीं भेजते।
मैसेज आता है लेकिन हम भेजते नहीं हैं। मैसेज नहीं आता हमारे को। नहीं।
For the millions who read and write only in non-English scripts, typing and texting are far too complex for comfort.
जी हमें हिंदी में लिखने में ये दिक्कत आती है कि एक ही बटन को 10 बार 7 बार 6 बार दबानी पड़ती है तो जाके वो आती है।
हिंदी में भेजते लेकिन डिफ़िकल्ट पड़ता है।
दिक्कत ये है कि अगर मेरे को मैं लिखना है तो पहले मैं माँ ढूंढूंगा, फिर उसके ऊपर एक ही मात्रा ढूंढूंगा, तो इतने में तो मैं पूरा एंड टाइप कर एसेस कर सकता हूँ उसको मैं।
नहीं, तमिल कभी तो वैसे तो डिक्शनरी में तमिल, हिंदी, मराठी, इंग्लिश सब कुछ है, बट नॉर्मली हमें इंग्लिश में भेजना कंफर्टेबल लगता है।
These languages were previously supported through multitap, which means that you have to go tap 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 to write a particular character. Now, English has 26 characters, but Indian languages have over 70 characters. So the number of taps go to 7 or 9, which is very unusable.
अगर मेरे दादाजी मुझे मलयालम में मैसेज भेजेंगे तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, मुझे बहुत खुशी होगी। लेकिन भेज नहीं पाते लेकिन
हमारा लैंग्वेज तमिल है, मदर लैंग्वेज, उसी में SMS करने की सुविधा हो जाए तो बढ़िया रहेगा।
अगर मेरे पास अगर ऑप्शन होगा तो बेस्ट हो जाएगा।
The search for a light and easy technology that makes typing simple and fast is now over. Luna Ergonomics has now come up with the clever texting technology that makes typing in any script or language possible and easy.
Luna Ergonomics is into development of new technologies that allow people to write in all languages of India and the world on the existing mobile phone using the existing keypad without the need of printed characters on the keypad, and yet offers a means to type extremely fast on the phone and ergonomically with single key presses and a usability which is very easy to learn.
Clever texting has got just 2 rules. Look for the character on the screen and go for the indicated key. If the character is not on the screen, press the next list button. The most groundbreaking aspect of clever texting is that it accurately predicts the characters likely to be written next and shows them on the screen from which the user can type using the numeric keypad. Characters are automatically placed at positions which are most comfortable to the texting thumb. Clever texting technology is already available in 9 international languages other than English, namely Arabic, Finnish, French, Hebrew, Korean, Portuguese, Russian, Spanish, and Swahili, and is fast being developed in other languages too. Apart from several global languages, this technology also makes typing in English simple and easier. For instance, how does clever texting help us write, "I'm going to Texas tomorrow at 8"? At first, the screen shows characters that are statistically most likely to start in English. As soon as a character is entered, the screen changes to show characters which are most likely to be entered next. Unlike the dictionary-based technology, clever texting allows writing of non-dictionary words such as Texas with equal ease. The technology is equally applicable to numbers. Clever texting offers several modes that make the typing process a happier experience. For instance, in the nearest key mode, which is particularly for touchscreen phones, predicted characters cluster around the key pressed last and most often on the very same key. There's no hunt and peck typing. Moreover, the technology has been adapted to fit into all existing models of mobile phones, whether with 3x4, 4x3 or even QWERTY keypad. Clever texting for Indian languages comes as the Panini Keypad. It follows the same principles and is available in 9 Indian languages, namely Bengali, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Malayalam, Punjabi, Tamil and Telugu. Most Indian languages with more than 100 letters and characters are far more complex than English. Even texts with fractional letters like Kya ho raha hai and Antarashtriya can be easily typed on the Panini Keypad. The technology follows the same principles as clever texting by constantly predicting characters and placing them in a way that is ergonomic to the thumb. The proof of the prediction is the fact that it works for any word inside or outside the dictionary, and this model is equally effective for all Indian languages. Another feature of the Panini Keypad is that it can convert one script into another, as in, Kya ho raha hai in Hindi can be converted into all the Indian languages.
The technology can go on to the end user in several ways. First is via phone manufacturers who can embed this technology onto their phones and support all languages of the world on the same phone. The second is via telecom operators who can offer this software through their decks as a value added service. They can also put it into their SIM cards. And thirdly, the application can go on to the end user as a downloadable software via app stores or even retail stores.